Shoot. Well, this went from crap to really crappy. What is up, guys? Billy Mac here for another adventure. If you see your name somewhere on this screen, congratulations, you are a winner of one of the 5 fishing lures that I was giving away. Contact me in either Facebook or Twitter, and I'll mail them out to you as soon as you get a hold of me. I'll put the Facebook and Twitter down in the description below. Now, I told you last video that I had something coming, some magnets and stuff like that. I got them here, let's unbox them, and I got some really strong storms coming through the area, so let's see if we can sneak out and do just a little bit of magnet fishing. Box number 1. My wife's gonna kill me, I'm using a steak knife. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, yep, alright. So, with the metal detector, I was gonna actually do that today also, but with the weather just not cooperating, we're not doing that. So I got me a pinpointer. Giving this a try, this pinpointer, so when I'm over an area I can at least have an idea where I'm going. And I think this is my shovel, because I broke the last shovel I had. Yep. So just, oops, I'll be able to, you know, dig. The last one I had broke. This also was cool because I like the idea that it had the pick. Just don't know how you lock it in place. We'll figure that out. Here's the set. Here's the other one. Told you guys I was going to add another magnet to my collection. Got me some gloves. Some Loctite, what do they call this? Thread locker. Here we go. The 1300 pound one-sided magnet. I wanted to add this to my arsenal, and this is the rope I've been looking for. It's something this thick. I love it because it's got eyelets for the carabiners, and they can rub on that plastic versus the rope. Nice thick rope. I really like this. Alright, let's get some Loctite on this thing. Sneak out of here before the storms come. I have a few spots that I want to try that are kind of new to me, and hopefully we'll be able to catch some goodies. If not, well, that'd be kind of a lame video. So magnets on there. Let's get the other magnet. Let's go check a few spots. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I do know I have to keep an eye on the sky. I guess it's severe weather. Let's go. Let's take a gander over here. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Oh, look at all the weeds. That's just going to be hard to do unless I stay in the main current, which looks like it's right here. Let's check the other side. Wow, water's moving. Oh, this must have been the old dam. So this was the last dam before it turned to brackish water. This probably was an old mill over here. This is rocky. That's going to be a problem. Is this why this is fenced off over here? Is this an old mill? Sure look like it, doesn't it? Huh. So now the next question, do I really want to attempt it? I really don't know. I don't like the fact there's so many weeds over here. But there is a possibility that something's in this channel. And let's see what we can find before the storm comes, or the rain comes. Wow, that truck is moving. Oh no. Oh shoot.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Well, this went from crap to really crappy. I'm just gonna cut the rope, I guess. Oh shoot. I don't know what to say. Thank God for a backup. I had no idea. Shoot. Yeah, I hate to do this. Damn it. Downtown Westerly. Yeah, there's a lot of rocks here. What am I on? What am I on? No, rocks. Thanks! No, this side's just as rocky. Oh, but I'm on. What am I on? Dang, it's rocks. Not here yet, no. Yeah, isn't it fun? On this river in particular, the best finds I've had is down at the Bradford Die.
Yeah, which fine.
3 bikes, a part of a fencing, and a retail sign. And then in Wakefield, down the Saugatucket River, I did really good there.
Yeah.
Found a lot of bikes there too.
Cool.
So, thanks! See, everybody knows about it. Everyone likes the adventures. Oh. I think I'm getting stuck on rocks over here. Oh, there's some sand. Wow. What a sand. Alright guys, so that wraps up this week's adventure. As you can tell, magnet's gone. Looks like I gotta be buying me a new one. Real quick, congratulations to those 5 people who just won a free lure. Pretty soon we'll be doing another fishing adventure soon. I also have a few places, some abandoned places I'm going to be exploring coming up soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be up to date on all the stuff that's coming soon. In the meantime, I'm gonna pack up my rope, throw it away. Can't believe I lost that magnet. That was going to Amazon. See you in the next adventure. See ya.